To change the size of the gap between two panels, go to Edit, then Preferences. The first option is line width, currently set to default. We can set this to thin to reduce the gap, or thick to increase the gap. This does this by increasing or decreasing the actual width of the lines that separate each panel. Alternatively, we have the border of each panel. This can be used to create a more substantial gap between the panels themselves. So here we can adjust the border width to create a very distinguishable gap in between each panel and editor, making it much easier to visualize what's going on your screen.